Dude, you're like the worst barber ever.
How?
Dude, he's got a bald spot in the middle of his
Where?
head.
No, you don't, man. You don't.
Yeah. Dude, that's bald right there. Oh, man.
Okay. Andrew.
Okay, I need to go this way for that part.
What's that, Victoria?
It's looking great.
Oh, man. Well, I guess it's truly what friendship is, huh?
Dude.
So, Andrew, I mean, do you ever think about owning your own hair salon?
Yeah, all the time. Just never got the chance to cut hair.
You did it terrible.
Wait, does he really? Let me see this.
Yeah.